Psychology in Seattle.
So, Paulette, have you heard of the concept called defense mechanisms before?
I have.
You have?
Yes.
What do you think that they are, given that you're the American layperson?
Like a lightsaber shield.
You're defending yourself. It's a mechanism for...
Hissing.
Well, they are and have been the cornerstone of psychoanalysis since Freud first introduced the concept. When do you think Freud first introduced the concept? What year-ish?
Right after his first cocaine binge in 1884.
Ooh, my gosh, close. 1894.
Oh my God, I can't even believe I got the right century, frankly.
Well, you've been paying attention in the podcast. Well, today I want to explain what defense mechanisms are. I'm also going to define and give examples of each defense. And Paulette, we're going to see if you use any of these defenses in your own life. What do you say?
Okay, sounds great.
Welcome to the Psychology in Seattle podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Kirk Honda. I'm chair of the Couple and Family Therapy Program at Antioch University, Seattle, and I'm also a licensed therapist.
I'm writer and American layperson Paulette Perhatch, your co-host.
Famous for the Fuck Off Fund. We should just say that every time.
I'm Fuck Off Fund.
Until you're famous for the next article.
I'm that chick who wrote Fuck Off Fund.
That'll be on your gravestone. This episode is just for patrons of the podcast. So if you're listening to this and you're not a patron of the podcast, this episode will end before the content begins. If you want to hear the full episode, you have to become a patron of the podcast by going to patreon.com. That's patreon.com to become a patron of the podcast. Please do that now to get access to this episode.